sorry, I'm gonna speak Estonian for most of the time, just because most of the people are from here, and it feels weird to speak English in front of all these Estonians. But maybe you have a friend, you know, who can translate all the funny stuff I'm about to say, all the jokes. No, I'm not planning to do any jokes. Before I forget, thank you so much for coming. I'm happy to see that you are all over the place. That's cool. Next song is also. We never care.